Hello dear traders, you are watching weekly stock market review on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. Last Friday, the US stock market experienced a decline on the back of very active trading. US stock indices fell by 0.5% on Friday. Nevertheless, over the whole week, the indicators gained momentum, partly due to a significant increase in the market capitalization of Apple. Investors are still focused on the meetings of the US Federal Reserve and Bank of Japan scheduled this week. The Nasdaq Composite sank to the level of 5,244.57 points on Friday, mainly due to lower stock prices in the information technology sector. For the week, the index rose by 2.3%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell to the level of 18,123.8 points at the end of Friday's session. Shares of Goldman Sachs and United Technologies were the worst performers among the blue-chip index companies. During the last week, Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 0.2%. The Standard & Poor's 500 index also moved down on Friday, closing at 2,139.16 points. The financial sector dynamics was the weakest according to trading results. The weekly growth of Standard & Poor's 500 was 0.5%. Statistics released on Friday unveiled the US Consumer Price Index, which rose by 0.2% in August against expectation for a gain of 0.1%. On an annual basis, consumer prices jumped by 1.1%. Strong macroeconomic statistics could make the US Federal Reserve decide on an interest rate hike this year. However, a downbeat consumer sentiment report prepared by the University of Michigan alongside discouraging quarterly data from Oracle dampened positive sentiment in the market. The largest increase was showed by Intel, which shares rose by 3%. One of the world's largest semiconductor chip markets revised its revenues forecast for the third quarter of 2016 upwards because of higher demand for personal computers. Apple's shares dropped by 0.5% on Friday, though the company market value was advancing throughout for previous recessions. The market value climbed by 12%, boosted by strong sales of a new iPhone model. One of the world's largest software developers, Oracle, raised its net revenues by 5% in the first fiscal quarter on the back of good results of the cloud business. However, the readings turned out to be worse than expected, and the company's shares fell by 4.8%. You have watched the weekly stock market review prepared for you by InstаФорекс TV channel. Good luck!